Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be doing a tap move. It is called the Maxie Ford. Okay, but before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for this tap step, the Maxie Ford, you're going to start out by doing a step. Now, I'm going to start with stepping with my right foot. So you're going to step. Now from here, you're going to do a shuffle, which is just two brushes. Brush forward, brush back. So again, it is step, shuffle, which is just a brush. We're going to brush forward, back. A couple times, forward, back. So going from the top, it is step, shuffle. Do it a little bit faster. Step, shuffle. One more time. And step, shuffle. Now the foot that is up in the air, after you finish your shuffle, you're going to step back on that foot, step, and then my right foot, I'm going to do a toe, and it's going to go behind my foot. So it looks like this, toe. Okay? And I'm using my right foot. So from the top, it is step, shuffle, step back on that foot, toe with the right. So again, step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. One more time. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Good. A little bit faster. So again, it is step, shuffle, step, toe. And doing it a little bit faster, we're going to do it with the counts, and the counts are 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Those are the counts. So again, say it with me. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so a little bit faster we go. 1 and 2 and 3. Again, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3. Good. So let's try it on the opposite side. So for me, that'll be my left. So I'm stepping out with my left foot. I do step, shuffle on my right, shuffle, bring that foot down, step, toe. And again, it goes behind your foot. That's in front. Behind. Again, on the opposite side, we go step, shuffle, step, toe. Again, step, shuffle, step, toe. And ready, and step, shuffle, step, toe. One more time. Step, shuffle, step, toe. So let's try it with the counts a couple times on this new side. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Couple times. 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3. So I'm going to do it facing the back, and I'm going to do it 4 times to my right, and then 4 times to my left with the counts. Get yourself ready. 5, 6. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. We pause. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. Left side. Get yourself ready. Here we go. And 1 and 2 and 3. Pause. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, I'm going to do it facing the front now. Same thing, 4 times to my right, and then 4 times to my left. Okay, get yourself ready. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. 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 Good. Last time to our left. 4 times. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.